Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. You know it's the Crocus farmer, aka Rastafari Soldier. Yes, and I'm here sitting with my back to a patch of lemongrass here in my garden. And as you see, it's a beautiful, beautiful, luscious set of grass right here. The roots are strong and beautiful. And I'm telling you, lemon pepper or fever grass is used in a variety of ways, from tea to warm bath to soups to even seasoning up your meat, your protein type. So remember, it's the Crocus farmer. If you have never used lemon pepper or fever grass, or if you have never seen it, here I'm giving you a beautiful, beautiful, exquisite look at these plants. This is fever grass. You just pick it, rub it, and you will smell that lemon pepper smell. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, an excellent, excellent tea. Excellent tea, ladies and gentlemen. Fever grass, here it is. That's how it looks. Identify fever grass.